In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to permanently delete Botim account. This ensures that your chat history, personal details, and contact information are removed from Botim's servers, reducing the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. To do this, simply head to Botim. You want to tap right here to access your profile page. You will then head to this option of account. Here, select onto the option of Manage My Account. Now head to Delete My Account. You will have to first provide a reason as to why you wish to delete your Botim account. You can just select on these suggested ones. And once done, tap on Delete My Account. Here, enter in your phone number and proceed by clicking on Delete My Account. All your account data, including chats, will be permanently deleted without the option to undo. Well, that's how easy it is to delete your account on Botim. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.